Hey guys! So, yeah, that was a little too exciting. But, what I wanted to tell you is that one of my books, one of the copies of the Abby Jackson story, is on the way. I have bought one. So the day it gets here, I will do an unboxing video and show you what the cover looks like, show you the photos and what the pages look like, because to be honest, I haven't looked at the emails they sent me in like a month. So yeah, it's been available for like a month now, but I haven't really been able to talk about it because, number one, it's my very first book that I have ever published, and I'm pulling my shirt because it's pretty toasty up here. Number two, I have been so bombarded with emotions. Happy, yellow, like the sun. Anyway, so the book has been available for a month now. So I will do an unboxing video the day it comes, and I will be excited to show you what the covers look like and what the pages look like, and also my dad wants to frame the book so we can like have it on display, and that's going to be awesome. Thumb up. Because my birthday is coming up, and all my all my closest girlfriends are going to be at my house on my birthday, which I will be filming. So get excited for that. I'll make a video about that sometime next month. So I'm just working out all the bugs right now. I know when I want to have it. I want to have my birthday party on my actual birthday, which is Thursday, September 19th. So that's going to be amazing. I get to open presents, I get to have cake and ice cream and all that other good stuff. And it's going to be awesome because it's going to be sugar-free. I'll explain that when I explain my birthday video. So I'll just call that video my birthday video. Awesome. But back to the book. What the book is about, it is called The Abby Jackson Story. I've been working on this book for like, 8 years. It's been a long, long time. The book is about a girl named Abby Jackson, hence the title, who is like just another peppy, happy 18-year-old who is involved in a car accident, and she has a coma. And she has a dream in a coma. I have never ever heard about that, having a dream inside a coma. So I thought, can someone have a dream inside of a coma? Have you ever thought about that? So get excited, because get excited for the unboxing video. And that's one video I'm going to be super, super excited about. And I'm going to get the camera. I'm going to get my sister and my mom. Coincidentally, my mother and my sister and myself, all three of us are YouTubers. My sister does general videos. My mom, she's more into the like computer-esque videos. So if you want to check out the Snickers, I will put a link to her channel here. If you want to check out my mom's channel, I will put a link to her channel here. So, check out my sister's channel, check out my mom's channel, and get excited about them. My mom's channel name is Linda Braun Bell, I think. I think that's right. I don't know. My sister's channel is called The Snickers. And I'll tell you how to spell that. It's capital T, H, E, capital S, I, K, K, E, R, Z. Why is it the Snickers? I don't know. So, check out my sister's channel, check out my mom's channel, and get excited about the unboxing video. So, get excited. I don't know how many times I've said that. You guys can count and tell me in the comments. Because I am just truly, truly so excited to do an unboxing video finally. And this, I'm still trying to get my channel off of the ground, so to speak. So if you all could give me some ideas as to which Disney videos. I need some new ideas for Disney videos. So if you guys could give me some ideas, some Disney characters I can talk about in my next video, I would super, super appreciate it. And I mean, you know, I love Disney. I've always loved Disney. And if you've seen any of my other videos, who is my favorite princess? Who is my favorite Disney voice actress? Tell me in the comments. If you know, I will subscribe to you. So, get excited about my birthday video. Get excited about my unboxing video, because that is going to be the icing on the cake. So, awesome. Bye, guys.